If you are looking for a natural recipe to support heart health, control weight, prevent kidney stones, prevent anemia, reduce cancer risk, improve digestive health, improve blood sugar levels, fight asthma, protect your brain, and support exercise recovery, these 2 natural recipes are the best fit for you. First recipe. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 2 apples, cold water, honey, optional. Directions: 1. Peel the lemon and remove the white skin, which has a bitter taste. 2. Cut the lemon into pieces. 3. Cut the apples into pieces and remove the seeds. 4. Put lemon and apple in the blender. 5. Add cold water according to the density of the juice. 6. Add honey, optional. 7. Mix well. This drink is healthy, delicious and strengthen the immunity system. Second recipe. Ingredients: 1 apple, juice of a lemon, 2 bananas, raisins, walnuts, honey, optional. Directions: 1. Cut the apple in halves and remove seeds. 2. Grate the apple. 3. Add juice of 1 lemon. 4. Peel, cut and add the bananas. 5. Add raisins. 6. Mix with a fork. 7. Add walnuts. 8. Add honey, optional. This recipe is nutritious, super healthy, and so delicious. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.